Hello everyone, welcome back again to this tutorial and welcome back again to now Max TV. So in this video we are going to be talking about the new feature that YouTube is coming up with, where you can choose your YouTube channel handle that will be helping you to get or to reach out to more audience or to more of your followers. So here you can be reaching out to even other followers around the world by using this keyword and they search this handle so that they can be able to access your channel easily without any other complications. So if you do not subscribe to the channel, no Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn the bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. So you see now I have my handle. They are saying that hi there. So your handle is reserved. Your handle is at Normax TV1. So this is now my handle that will be also being able to see or being able to find in this YouTube search bar so that you can be accessing this YouTube channel. So now, the first now talk about the law of this feature that is has been brought by YouTube. So this feature is very important because it's going to be helping you to easier the audience finding out you in among various videos, among various channels on YouTube. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that you create the unique one or the one which is memorable so that the audience will be able to get to you, which is not going to be complicated with them. So maybe now you have reserved your handle and you want to change it. As you see, I have my own, and maybe I want to change it, or even I want to set up my new one. So what you have to do first, you have to log into your YouTube as we are going to be doing here. So let me log in my YouTube. So you can see now I logged into my YouTube. So after logging into my YouTube, you have to click now on this profile. So on your profile, the profile of the YouTube channel there at the top right. So once you click there, you can see various options. You click now here, so you see. So after clicking here, you can see I get now to my channel. So I click your channel. So once I click your channel, you can get to various options here. And as you can see, I have various options. Now you can see I have customize channel, manage videos. So I don't click manage videos. What I have to do, I have to click now customize channel. Once I click customize channel, I'm going to bring me various options that I can be using to edit or add my new YouTube handle. So now let me wait so that it can be coming. So as you see, I have various options. I have now to click here on this basic information. You see, I have basic info of this YouTube channel. Now I have to click here on this basic info. After clicking on basic info, you can see now I'm accessing this now YouTube name. I can be able to change this YouTube name. So you can see now I have handles. Now this is a new feature that is now showing here on YouTube. This one. So and this handle is the one that also you can be using now to be helping you helping your audience to be getting to you. So now you see now this is handle. As you can see, what you have to do is to be make sure that the handle you are able to use is easy and simple for you and for everyone to be using it. For example, let me click here on this one. So let me, you see now I have Nomax TV1. I can be choosing Nomax TV2. When I put Nomax TV2, you see now it is searching if it's available. After clicking here, I click now. You see now this link below it is also changing as I change. You see now this link is changing as I change. So after clicking here now, and I found that is available, I have to click publish. You see now it's available. But for example, let me put now on Nomax TV. As I put this Nomax TV now, as it is there in the system, you cannot get it because someone else is using this, which means I have to add one, which means even all of you will be searching by using at Nomax TV1. So what I have to do, I have to click now, for example, I put Nomax TV2 as my preferred name, and when I put there, I have to hit publish. So once I click publish, also it's going to be or getting published. You see now change now also have got. So what you see now is there, it means that you can be coming back again within 14 days and change it here. If you want to change it, you can come back again within 14 days and change it. So but I want to keep my also Nomax TV 1 because it is still early, not yet 14 days. I can be able to change or to edit this handle. So what I have to put Nomax TV 1, and you see now the link is also changing here below. Now what I need to do, I need also to publish. Once I publish it, just want to get published. Now we can see now that when I have the message, you see now when I go to my channel, also I will be having this message. You see now, hi there, your handle is reserved. Your handle is at Nomax TV 1, which means you can be also able to get me. And so you can be clicking here again, then you edit this handle on your YouTube channel. It is as simple as that. You can be editing your handle, you can be also setting up the new one you want so that you can get to the benefit and the profit from this feature that is coming up with new. So now it is going to be, after clicking or setting this, now they tell you that so you have created your have successfully created set up your handle, and it will be now available on YouTube later this year. You have to wait some times so that it will be available now, or to be showing on YouTube. So now subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any suggestion or comment, leave it in the comment section. Don't hesitate to turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at now Max TV.